Good evening. My name is Ramakrishna and I'm going to be solving question number 4 of the MAT 104 end semester examination question paper. Now this question involves an equation y double dash plus ay is equal to cosecant of x, right? Now what we're going to do is we're going to break it up into the homogeneous equation and the particular solution. So let's get going. You got question 4, right? States this is the equation that we've been given. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to break it up into the homogeneous and the particular solution. So how we solve the homogeneous solution is that we say y double dash plus ay is equal to 0, as we're going to do in I think the 6th question or so, right? And so what we do is we take the auxiliary equation, which says this is equal to 0, therefore y is equal to plus minus 3i. I is iota. We get y1 is e to the power ax cos bx, y2 is e to the power ax sin bx, right? And we know for a fact that lambda is equal to a plus ib, therefore a is equal to 0, b is equal to 3 in our case. This is what we've been given. So here we get, since a is 0, we get cos 3x and sin 3x respectively. Thus YH is equal to c1y1 plus c2y2, therefore it is equal to c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. And of course, since we're looking for an equation, since we're looking for a solution, c1 and c2 are what we are looking for, right, for an end equation. Now this is the homogeneous equation. For the frequency omega, what we do is we take the mod of y1 dash, y2 dash, and just for the sake of simplification I'm going to cut across a few steps here. So we already know what y1 is, cos 3x, therefore y1 dash will be minus 3 sin 3x. Similarly, y2 is sin 3x, so y2 dash will be cos 3x, positive cos 3x. Therefore we get 3 cos square 3x plus 3 sin square 3x is equal to 3 into cos square 3x plus sin square 3x sin square 3x, and of course cos square plus sin square cos square plus sin square of any angle is always equal to 1, therefore this is our omega, right? The particular solution now is y1 u1 plus y2 u2, right? We look for u1 and u2 now. u1 is basically negative y2 times r times dx divided by omega, which is, you can see clearly, which is y2 of course is sin 3x, r is cosecant of x, and we've got dx divided by 3, what we got here. u2 is positive y1r dx upon omega, therefore we get integral of cos 3x times cosecant x times dx divided by 3. Now we're just going to take negative 1 by 3 outside, and I'm going to integrate the given equations, the given where we've reached so far. I'm going to integrate these equations on my own, as I would advise anyone who's cleared basic 12th calculus mathematics to do, right? So this is what I get. This is the most basic integral that you'll get for this. Similarly, here you'll get this, I mean a form of this, I believe. I'm just simplifying it further for the sake of the reader. I mean, to solve a few steps on your own, it's just better for practice. And even for me, because I've done this question over and over since I wasn't clear on some aspects, I've got the integration of certain parts pegged down. I mean, not pegged down, but yeah, I do remember a few of these. So we're left with this in the end for u1, and we're left with this in the end for u2, right? Therefore, what we get for our particular solution is this, right? Cos 3x is our y1, and our u1 is minus 1 by 3 x plus sine 2x plus sine 3x by 3. This is our y2, and we've got our u2 here, 1 by 3 natural log of mod sine x minus 2 sine square x, right? And this is what we've got here. Now our is always y is always the sum of homogeneous and particular equations. So we've got c1 cos 3x plus c2 sine 3x, right? And we've simultaneously got this equation, right? We've got this. So we can conclude, I mean, since we have to find c1 and c2, we can conclude that c1 is equal to our basic u1, which was minus 1 by 3 x plus sine 2x, right? And our c2 was 1 by 3 natural log mod sine x minus 2 sine square x. Yeah, this is what we got. This was our final solution, and that is question number 4 by Ramakrishna Bhattapyal for the mathematics end semester examination.